Mastering weather idioms, it's a rainy day. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations. It's a rainy day. While it sounds simple, this phrase can be quite versatile in its usage. Stick around as we explore its meanings and how you can use it in your daily English communication. When someone says, "It's a rainy day," the most straightforward interpretation is that the weather outside is rainy. It's a purely descriptive phrase, painting a picture of gray skies, falling raindrops, and perhaps a need for an umbrella or raincoat. In English, discussing the weather is a common small talk topic, and this phrase fits right into that category. Interestingly, "it's a rainy day" can also have a figurative meaning. In this sense, it represents a time of difficulty or gloominess. Just like a rainy day might make the outdoor environment less pleasant, metaphorically, it refers to periods in life that are challenging or less cheerful. It's important to understand the context in which it's used to grasp the intended meaning. There's another popular usage of the phrase, especially in the context of savings or finances. When someone refers to saving for a rainy day, they mean setting aside resources or money for times of need or unexpected circumstances. It's a wise practice and a common piece of advice in financial planning, emphasizing preparedness for the future. So, whether it's describing the weather, expressing a mood, or talking about financial wisdom, "it's a rainy day" is a versatile phrase in the English language. We hope this video has shed light on its different uses and meanings. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.